Hey guys, my name is Zewdi, and today I'll be talking about gynandromorphs and gender-bending animals. Now, to give a brief overview, I'll be explaining the concept of gynandromorphs through a terrestrial species, the butterfly, the concept of gender-bending animals through the aquatic species, clownfish, and then I'll take both of these concepts and tie them into the human species. So let's get into it. Now, you may be asking yourself, gender bending, what's that? And gender bending means a lot of different things, but in this context, we'll use the following definition, causing a change of sex chemically. Now, there are many aquatic species that are able to gender bend, and to name three of them, they are the following, the clownfish, starfish, and mushroom corals. But how do clownfish change their sex? Now, on a molecular level, the DNA of the fish doesn't change. However, their gene expression does. And the most obvious change occurs with the set of genes that deal with the expression of gonadotrophin releasing hormones. These hormones regulate the maturing process of the gonads of the fish. And although it's unknown what causes the change, it results in a complete and different set of these hormones, which allows the fish to change the sex from male to female. So we both know that starfish and clownfish are gender bending animals. So I'd like to pose the following question to you. We all know who Nemo and Patrick Star are. So knowing that both of these characters are gender bending animals, how will we refer to them? Will we refer to them as she? Will we refer to them as he or they? I'll let you chew on that thought, but let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Now moving on to gynandromorphs. Now, what is a gynandromorph? A gynandromorph is an individual within the animal kingdom containing male and female characteristics. And three of these animals are butterflies, cats, and northern carnivores. You can see here the gynandromorph is in the middle. This is the offspring of both of the parents. We know this is a gynandromorph because we can see the male and female characteristics of both parents. Here we can, and we are able to tell this by looking at the butterfly, both of the butterflies' parents, and we can see both of the wings and are incorporated into the offspring, exhibiting both the male and female characteristics. Now, how does gynandromorphism work in butterflies? Well, the cell of the insect develop and divide. Then one cell gets male chromosomes and the other cell gets female chromosomes. Now, subsequent division of cells after the male chromosome are male. The same process occurs for the female chromosomes, and the process keeps occurring until you have a gynandromorph butterfly. Now, how does this tie into humans? Now, this ties into humans in regards to those who identify as intersex or who exhibit androgyny. But what does it mean to be intersex? Intersex means a lot of different things, but in this context, I'm going to use the following definition. Individuals who are born with male and female genitalia. So similarly to the gynandromorph butterfly who exhibits male and female characteristics, the same concept can be applied to humans who are exhibiting male and female characteristics via their sexual anatomy. Now, what does it mean to be androgynous? Androgynous means having both masculine and feminine gender characteristics. And androgyny can show up in humans in the following forms. And here we can see that both of these individuals both exhibit masculine and feminine gender characteristics. This is all to say. This is all to say that animals and humans are alike. So next time you look at an animal that is a gender-bending animal or a gynandromorph, I challenge you to think, well, how did they identify with their gender identity? Thank you.